so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making one of my favorite appetizers. It is the Baked Caprese Crostini. So what you need to do is preheat your oven to 450 degrees, slice your baguette into 1-inch slices, brush your extra virgin olive oil on your baguette, then sprinkle with salt, bake for 5 minutes. Then, here's the crostini. This is what it looks like. Then, put the tomato on. Okay, that's simple. And these are Roma tomatoes. So, now, sprinkle salt and pepper. Pepper. Salt. And now we put on our mozzarella. And done. And now you get some salt. And bake 5 minutes until warm. So all you need to do is put this right here. And perfecto. Open. And we put that in there. And then when you take it out, don't remember to get your basil and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. And here is the finished product. And here it is. And I'm gonna try it. That is so good. It's so crunchy, and you can taste all that warm tomato and cheese, and it's so perfect. So, Happy New Year. I hope you like this. Hope you serve this to your family. And yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.